Today we're tackling one of the simplest yet most impactful modes for your Jeep Wrangler. Whether you are running stock wheels or just want a wider stance for off-roading, Wheel Spacer can transform your Jeep's look and performance, but only if you choose the right ones. Wheel Spacer provides a wider stance for off-road stability and avoiding tire rub on aftermarket tires. Spacers are not just for looks. They're critical if you are running larger tires without upgrading to aftermarket wheels.
How to correctly install wheel spacers. Step 1. Loosen lug nuts and then use a jack to lift the vehicle. Place jack stands underneath for safety. Step 2. Clean the wheel hub. Use rust remover to clean the wheel hub. This ensures the spacer will closely fit to the hub. Step 3. Install wheel spacers. Place the BONOSS wheel spacer to the hub. Secure it with the nuts. Use bolts to fasten it in place.
BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-state hub central rings. This hub central metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub fat. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of the wheels. These BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers are vehicle specific. This means they're made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue.
Step 4. Restore the wheel. Put the wheel back onto the hub and secure it with the original lug nuts or bolts. Step 5. Tighten the lug nuts with the right torque. Step 6. Lower the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts again. Check for clearance once the spacer is installed. Turn the steering wheel from side to side to ensure there are no rubbing or clearance issues with the wheels. If you are ready to level up your Jeep Wrangler stance, check the description for BONOSS wheel spacers and installation tools.